Good morning, DDP students. This particular drawing on page 4 will require us to draw a 1-to-1 scale orthographic drawing in the grid provided. I'm going to label front and top and right side surfaces. So we look at the top down, front from this area, and right side from here. And we have labeled surfaces appropriately. So it's 1-to-1 scale, so I need to find out the width of this object. The width of this object runs from here all the way to here. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on the width. I will start out in my lower left corner always with a point. That's my lower left point of the object on the front view. Count over 9 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that is the very bottom of the object. I need to count the height in the isometric grid. The height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks high, which is up to here. And it's 2 blocks in height on the other end. Project where those two will meet after I create this width line. And there's my L-shaped front view. My top view has 2 separate distinct surfaces. It needs to be drawn above the front. I'll start it here. The width has to be the same as the front, so I know that this line will exist. Once again, in this top view, you will not be able to visually see the surface changes, but we need to make note they're there. I need to find the object's depth as well. The depth of this object is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. There's the depth. There's my other width line. I separate these 2 surfaces by extending a construction line at any visible edge and intersection possible, and it would be right there. There is my 2 top surfaces complete. Shade in the top here and here. That represents this. Now I can project construction lines over if necessary to create my side view. My right side view is going to have the same depth as the top view, so it's going to have this depth seen here. In reality, we could project this construction line over, strike a 45-degree line, and that helps us bring the object's depth to the right side. So that's kind of a brand new concept I have talked about, although it was seen in your PowerPoint. If you strike a 45-degree line here, it will transition and turn that depth 90 degrees to the right side. Right side has to have the same height as the front, according to our rules of drafting. And this object has 2 distinct separate surfaces. We can make note of their changes, surface changes here. So same height as the front, same depth as the top. And there it is. Finish this one up for today. It is Monday the 19th. Let's finish this up and be ready to continue with these drawings come Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Thanks.